everyone, it's Karen from the BeyondIVFBaby channel. I'm so glad you're here. Well, I know I've been gone for quite a few weeks and I had the flu. That flu turned into pneumonia and I am finally on the mend. So I'm happy to give you some more tips and share my knowledge with you and help you cut your fertility journey. So let's begin. By now, it's been a couple of weeks since Trump made an announcement. Basically, he has this executive order that he wants to make IVF more affordable. And I'm going to link you a video that explains it from PBS. It's a video/article, so you can watch or you can read it. I just want you to think about this because in this article, the journalists are saying, not having any consideration for age, but they're throwing out a statistic, something like 1 out of 10 women are receiving some sort of aid. I find that highly biased because, one, they're saying most companies do not provide an IVF insurance benefit for their employees. Of course, that goes along without saying for egg freezing and other types of fertility benefits. I can say for me, I did not, excuse me, still have a cough. I did not receive any fertility benefits other than what the insurance paid or honored a deductible price after they honored a price after I met the deductible for certain procedures, like it may have been the test where they put the dye in your test tubes to see if your test tubes are open, or if they do an endometrium biopsy. Okay, you get the negotiated insurance in-network rate. But in terms of the actual IVF and all the monitoring and all those things, from my very first IUI to all the different IVF procedures, I did not get any insurance coverage. And apart from that, I chose to go to Europe because my journey was taking so much time. I wouldn't be able to do as many treatments or frankly continue on my journey after 9+ years. So I'm really curious what you think about this. Let's see what happens once it, goes into, I guess it's Congress or legislation, to see if it actually does go through. What do you think is going to happen next in terms of the affordability of IVF? For me, I can say it was extremely expensive. I have friends who did have fertility benefits, and they complained how expensive it was. Despite having a fertility benefit, there's still cost. There's still what you have to pay before your deductibles met, or they're just costs you have to pay. I don't know anybody who gets free medications in terms of that, and that is seriously expensive. So whatever happens, it is a step in the right direction to offer IVF insurance coverage. But of course, who's going to fall through the cracks? It's going to be anybody who has a private insurance, who doesn't work for an employer. And I'm sure the smaller companies, of course, they can't afford that. So there's going to be a lot of ways that people are not going to be able to get this actual benefit. So share your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think this is going to be helpful. Do you think it would help your journey if you had a health insurance mandate where you were going to get, let's say, at least one IVF treatment a year covered? Share your thoughts. I'm interested in what you thought. And please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone else who's on the fertility journey, who wants to cut the time it's taking to finally be successful and have their baby. Ciao for now.